today. Wonder what it will be. Biscuits, muffins, roll.
So it's bread machine, bread machine Saturday again. Because the month of February, we are doing bread machine recipes. So I got a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 egg, and to this I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of tomato paste. We are making tomato bread. So pretty much the whole little 6-ounce can of tomato paste went in there. For the most part, it went in there. So I am going to now add 2 cups of bread flour to this. Cup and a half. Alright, there is 2 cups. So now we're going to add some salt. Do believe it was a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add some Italian seasoning, some sugar, you're supposed to have nutmeg. I'm substituting cinnamon for it, which will be fine. And then we're going to add it was supposed to have been 1.5 teaspoons of dried minced onion. I don't have that. I do have minced onion, but I do have chives. So we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chives and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic, which it called for dry garlic powder, which I don't have. And to this, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. And you know the rest of the story. We're going to close the lid. I'm going to try to put all that tomato goodness in there. I'm going to get my spatula, push down that tomato paste, turn it on, and there you go. I'm going to quickly add, if you don't have bread flour or pastry flour, it's okay. You don't have to go out and grab it. You could use regular all-purpose flour. I'm just using bread flour because that's what I got, and it don't look like it looks like it's a little dry, so we will try to add a little bit more in there. So hopefully it'll work. We'll have to wait and see.